Hey everyone, in this session I am going to talk about how we can create a contact list for your Power BI apps. This is the brand new feature rolled out by Microsoft during this week. So now let's elaborate and let's check the updates. Last year during October 2019, Microsoft rolled out a feature to create a contact list for your Power BI reports and workspace. Now, the same feature is available for the Power BI apps as well. So now, let me explain you the step-by-step procedure to creating a contact list for app. So this is my one of the workspace and now I'm creating an app for my workspace. Let's say this is my work app name GPBB Ahmedabad 2020. Let me add description over here. You already know how to create app, but now let me show you the feature that I am talking about. Here in the first step you can see the information, contact information for your app. So this is the information that will be appear as a contact list for your app. Here we can see three different options. Show app publisher, which means that let's say for an example, if I have published my app with Dhruvin's account, it will show my account in the contact list. Then the second option is show items contacts from the workspace. Now let's say for an example, it will show the contact list item which is created same as workspace. So let's say for an example, for workspace contact list I added 5 contact names to my workspace. So at that time this 5 contacts name will be appear in the app contact list as well, right? I'm going to demonstrate this item to you as well. Alright, and show specific individuals or group. So basically you need to type a specific individual name over here, right? So now let's get started and first start with the show app publisher. So now I'm publishing my app. I'm publishing this and let's check the output. So this is the URL of the app. Let's open the URL in the new tab. So I'm opening this tab and now let's check out the contact list. So here you can see that on the top. Let's refresh it once and here it is. You can see the contact list for this particular app. Now when we click on that, what will happen here is it will open my Outlook account and it will add that email address automatically over there. So now let's check the second option. Let's say for an example, if I'm selecting here show items contacts from the workspace. So what it will do, let me show you that thing. This is my workspace. And click on the setting option and here you can see the contact list information. Here this group has been added over here. Now let me remove this and let me add one name over here, Adel. Right now what happened here is this particular person is added to the workspace contact list. Let me add some more people as well, like Alex, and let me click on save. Now let me choose the second option, that is show items contacts from the workspace, and let me update the app. I'm updating the app and now let's check the output. Let me refresh this one. And now you can see that contact list name has been updated over here, and same way when you click on that, those email address would be automatically added to this particular mailbox, and same way the dashboard link is also provided to them. Yep, right. Now at last let's try the third option, that is show specific individuals or group. So here you can add any group or specific individual name, and same way whenever you type any name over here, that name will be appear as a contact list for your Power BI app. Now there is a question in your mind that why do we need contact list for our Power BI app? Why it is required? Let me give you some specific reason. For an example, you have published app, you have added one report, one dashboard over there. Let's say for an example, as the end user, they find out some bugs or they need some specific information into a report or a dashboard. They don't know whom they contact with. At that time, this contact list would be very helpful to them. They can just check the contact list of your Power BI app, and by using that contact list, they can contact the specific person regarding that issue. That makes the process very smoother and very easier, right? Second thing is that notification update. This will also help in the notification as well, like access information or something like that. At that time, this contact list would definitely be very useful to you, right? This is how you can easily set the contact information for your Power BI app. Hope this new updates will help you a lot for your organizational app. Hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question, you can add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my WhatsApp number, just click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.